Hey guys, this is King, and I'm going to be showing you, well, this is kind of my intro to Minecraft, well, to YouTube, so I'll just in this, I guess, whoa, that was really loud, so yeah, this is kind of like my intro to Minecraft, so I'm also going to be doing for this server. I'm going to be doing a review for this server. Okay, I'm already on the ESC options, video settings, vertical decrease. Oh, that's probably why. So, okay guys, so this is my Minecraft based on the server, but really I'm just going to introduce you to myself. I play Minecraft a lot, and don't PM me during the game, because that happens to my friend who makes videos and he says it's really annoying. So I guess I'm not gonna prefer that, but so I might not respond during game, so don't get mad at me. I just message me on YouTube or something, and I will respond. Like, I'm always with you guys. I'm friends with you. So, yeah. And I guess I'll do whatever you guys want. I really want to go on this server. Wait, where's this server? That's probably for a different video, but I'm gonna go on it. Go on that server, mc.mcgiants.net. But this is the server I'm talking about. This is my friend's server. And yeah, so here, let's go /server /spawn. Okay, so what you do, sorry I have all this stuff because I used to do this. I used to be on this server before they changed it up into multiple worlds. So now I have all this stuff for no reason. Okay, so what you see, and then there's all that. And then you come over here to get the raid world. This is the thing. Come over here to adventure world. Is this it? No, that's for like, all the adventure maps and stuff. Wait, don't go in there, don't go in there. No, this middle one. This is the creative world. It's not fun. I don't like the creative world. Come in here to PvP world. That's what it is. It says to PvP world. And you come over here. And then there's this portal over here. What's this? Territory 1. Factions. What's this? Oh, I'm the only one on right now. But this is my faction. Stop. Flop. It's Toxic Shorty's the owner. Then Gamer Detonator, me and TC. I'm getting accustomed to stuff. This is our base. Yeah. We have a whole lot of stuff. You would expect me to be rich at some point. It's not the point. And here is my friend's base. I just need to use this. Yeah, that's what I have in my ender chest. Nothing too amazing. So yeah, this is faction how I kept raiding him. I just kept raiding him. Now we're friends, but yeah, just gonna show you my stuff. I used to have 4, but then I died. and somebody had this and this. I didn't have the Feather Falling 4 on my boots, I just had Protection 4 and Breaking 3. I think I might have had that. But we've had so many bases, and my tip to people who keep getting raided, like, just because you get raided, don't rage quit and quit the server. Just make a base that better than last time. Obviously, this isn't, not obviously, this isn't as good as our last base. It was a ginormous obsidian base on the ground. Yeah. It was impossible to find, but then if I did break some people into a faction that we shouldn't have. But my friends were like, oh, they're okay. And I'm like, they're okay. And I trusted them, and they jacked up our base. So I'm gonna put this. I like to raid a lot. I like raid with my friends as much as possible. Every time we get a raid or I get TP into someone's base, most of the time I'll raid you. So I wouldn't always trust me, but it's probably not a good thing to say. So yeah, this is all my stuff over here. This is, you have all this from raids and stuff. Some people in the server are really nice, some are jerks, some think that most people in the server don't like me because I raid them. And they all rage. It used to be fun in Minecraft where if you killed someone or you raided them, you're like, ha ha ha, you got, like when you killed them, you're like, ha ha ha, you got me. People are like, now, like, oh, you killed me, oh my god, I'm gonna kill you. And they're taking it way too seriously. It's just a game. You shouldn't be that intense about a game. It used to be fun, but now people are taking it over the top. I don't know why I need this in here. Throw it that way. See where I go. Interesting. See, this server doesn't have you have to wait. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it sucks. It's good if you're being attacked and you have to go somewhere. And it doesn't automatically kill you, which some people think is odd. I don't combat log because that's noobish. Yeah, these are just random chests. But we're trying to fill our base up with chests and stuff, and we're trying to get more raids. So yeah, this is pretty much, that's all I wanted to show you, and bye. Bye, I'll see you guys later.